In this video, I'm going to show you how students can access Canva assignments that you assign to them through Canva. So if you saw my previous video, I already showed how to assign a Canva template or project to your students. Now I am logged in as one of my students, and I'm going to show you how they will access it. So we, again, roster through ClassLink, so the student is going to go to ClassLink and access Canva this way. Once Canva loads, you're going to notice a column on the left-hand side. The icon you want to click on is classwork. Once I click on classwork, I can see here any assignments that I have not worked on yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this so that I can start adding my content to it. So if I put everything in here, I can start editing it now. And I can make any changes to any of the other pages, but let's say we're done with this project and we need to get it back to our teacher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here in the upper right hand corner and select send to teacher. I can add a message with this to my teacher, and then I can hit send. So I can see here my assignment has been sent. You can make changes, but you'll need to resubmit. So they can still edit this if they need to make any changes. But I'm going to pop on over to the teacher end now just so you can see what the teacher will see. So I'm going to minimize this screen and go back over to my screen. So now what I can do, logged in as me, is go over here to Classroom, and I can search for my class. Actually, I can look for this classwork right here. So you can see here under where it says to review, I can click on to review and I can see anything that a student has submitted to me. So I can now open this project. I can take a look at it. I can add feedback here, and I can either click, when I'm done with adding feedback, I can click mark as done or ask for resubmission if the student hadn't finished everything you asked them to do. So it's pretty simple to access this as a teacher once a student has submitted. And again, the student still has the option to be able to make any changes to it if they need to by resubmitting.